In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete any conditional format rule that you have in your Google Sheets mobile app. So when working on a spreadsheet and you just want to clear out all the conditional format rules that are applied to your dataset, well, here's how you can do it. First, you can do this individually. So if I were to tap on this range right here, where the first or one of the conditional formats are applied to, then go to the format tool at the top, scroll up and check on conditional formatting. We have one format rule right here. So to delete this, what we're going to do is we're just going to tap on that trash bin icon right there, and no more conditional formatting. Let's go back, and there it is. So no more conditional formatting applied on that range. So let's do that again. Let's go to this next range, select that range, go to the format tool at the top, select conditional formatting. Again, we have that one rule applied to that range, and if we want to delete that, we can just tap on this trash bin icon right here. And there you have it. Now, if you have multiple conditional format rules applied on your spreadsheet, what you're going to do to delete all of those at the same time would be to select the entire range, again by tapping on that corner above your first row and before your first column, to select the entire spreadsheet. Then go to the format tool at the top, scroll up, and you will see that we have those two rules that are again applied on those ranges. So if I tap on this one right here, I can simply just delete them right here at the same time without opening all of those one by one. And there we have it. We have cleared out or deleted all of the conditional format rules found on our spreadsheet here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.